WhatsApp media upload quality not showing. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can solve if the WhatsApp media upload quality is not showing, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to solve if the WhatsApp media upload quality is not showing, when you open up WhatsApp, let's say the issue is that you're trying to send a certain photo to someone here. So let me go ahead and then select a certain photo in this case. So when I try to send a photo, the option called HD is supposed to show up over here. When you tap on HD, you'll have the option to choose between standard and HD quality. Now, let's say you're not finding this option for some reason. One of the reasons could be that the photo that you're trying to send itself is not in an HD format. So when you try to send a photo that is not in an HD format, let's say you can look at the screenshots, for example, you can see the HD option is grayed out because this image itself is not in an HD format. That's why it cannot be sent in HD. Another reason is this has already been quite a while since this feature was released. So you have to open your Play Store and then simply search for WhatsApp. Check if WhatsApp app has any sort of updates available, and if it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. This way you should be able to go ahead and then solve if the WhatsApp media upload quality isn't showing. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.